Day 24. Be strong and courageous. God says, be strong and courageous. Not because life is easy, but because He is with you. Fear may rise, but it does not get the final word. You are not alone. You are not abandoned. Wherever you go, God goes with you. So do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. Walk forward. He is with you. Joshua 1:9.